Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on WIF, DogWifHat. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to share my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. It's a no-brainer, guys. Look at this. I gave you this XLM setup as stated by the breakout. A few days later, 453% up. I gave you Bonk, 230% up a few days later. It took longer than XLM, but it happened. I gave you Degen just a few hours after I gave you the setup on Telegram group. 317% up. Massive, explosive move to the upside. Life-changing money. I gave you XRP 190%. I gave you Bread. I gave you Slurf, many other meme coins, AI tokens, gaming projects, RWA dipping. All that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group, and it's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever, guys. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. You just have a couple of days left to join my Telegram group for free. Don't sleep on it, guys. This is the greatest altcoin season in the history of humanity, and we are helping you scanning the crypto market every single day. There are thousands of altcoins to trade out there, so it's very important to see what other successful traders are looking at. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, DogWifHat is currently ranked number 51. The price is at $3.23, almost 3% down for the day. And the market cap is sitting at $3.23 billion. It's kind of high compared to other projects that we have been talking about in this channel, but there is still a lot of room to grow, in my eyes. This is a token that's built on the Solana ecosystem, guys, and Solana has been outperforming the market. There is a tremendous amount of liquidity coming into the crypto space in the coming months, and Solana is positioned in such a way that it's going to capture a huge percentage of that liquidity. Therefore, large caps, mid caps, small caps that are built on the Solana ecosystem are going to benefit. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that the token was created on December of 2023, so it hasn't experienced a real full-blown bull run before. That's why nobody knows how high this will run during the upcoming bull run of 2025. On March of 2024, WIF put an all-time high at $4.80. And as you see here, WIF has increased from the time that it was created to the current price levels of $3.23, 1,824%. Massive increase. Took profits and the price action pulled back. And over here we had this consolidation phase, which was this accumulation phase, just like we like to call it. This was the best time to buy DogWifHat, and I gave you the setup all the way down here. We are going to look at it on TradingView soon. But before we do that, let's look at their X account real quick. You can find it at DogWifCoin. Look what it says here. Popular meme DogWifHat vibes with friends on chain. They have a Telegram group link. You can click on this and check it out on your own time. They also have a website, dogwifcoin.org. They have been pretty active on X, posting memes, videos, every single day. Look at this guy. WIFHat or without? What do you think? I say WIF. And what I wanted to point out is that they have over 121,000 followers. Honestly, I think that they should have way more followers on X. This is not a good representation of the huge community that's backing this project. I think there are many more people that they are supporting WIF, and there is a lot of interest here. This is the chart. We are looking at WIF USDT 1-day chart on Binance. Look at this, guys. I gave you this setup all the way down here. You see this channel? This was in accumulation phase. This is when we started trading this for the first time. Low range. This was basically the best buying opportunity for WIF. But I know many of you missed it because nobody wants to buy a token when interest is low, when it's all the way down here. Everybody wants to buy a token when it's skyrocketing. And these white lines that I have here on the chart were the previous targets that I gave you, the Fibonacci levels of support and resistance. And look what happened, guys. Price action pumped all the way up, hit the last target that I gave you. We had a rejection and then we pulled back. And we pulled back all the way down here, bouncing on this first Fibonacci level that I gave you, that's located at $1.96. So you see how perfectly these Fibonacci levels are playing out. Because many other traders are looking at these levels, guys, and they are trading based on what they see on the charts. You see how the price action pumped all the way up here? Let me change the color so you can see better. And then we got rejected right at this Fibonacci level at $2.59. Then we had a retrace all the way down here, and we bounced at the first Fibonacci level. That was basically a breakout and a retest. Then we saw another massive move all the way up to this Fibonacci level at $2.88. Then another pullback. Look at this pullback. It bounced right at this, the second Fibonacci level at $2.31. How is this possible, guys? Is there some kind of a conspiracy going on? Look at this next pump. Again, testing this last Fibonacci level that I shared with you. We got rejected, price action pulled back. We had a bounce here, rejection here again. Both of these Fibonacci levels. We lost this. Another bounce all the way down here. Huge buying opportunity. Many people missed it. And that's why it's very important to look at these Fibonacci levels of support and resistance, guys. I post multiple charts, trading setups like this every single day on my Telegram group. It's free for now. So make sure that you join as soon as possible so you can find all these trading setups on many different altcoins. Large caps, mid caps, small caps, all that kind of stuff. You just have a couple of days left to join for free. Last day was supposed to be Cyber Monday, but because I received so many messages from people, I just decided to leave it as is for a couple more days. So now I see a new pattern here on the chart. This is a head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and this is the head in the middle. The red trend line that I have here on the chart is basically the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. This pattern has a 65 to 70% chance of breaking to the upside. And as you see here, the price action is moving below the neckline. If you want to trade this in a safe manner, guys, you should wait until the price action breaks above the neckline. But for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, higher risk, higher reward, you might want to consider accumulating WIF down here so you can basically front run the breakout above the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. This is a very good buying opportunity right now in my eyes, guys. At least this is my opinion. This is not financial advice, but for me, this is an amazing buying opportunity. Inside this yellow rectangle that I have here on the chart, that's located between $2.90 and $3.49. If the price action breaks below this, it's going to be a better buying opportunity, guys, but I don't think we are going to see a pullback all the way down here again. And if we see a pullback, I really think that it's going to be fast, like something like a week or something that bounce back because people are going to buy this. If we see a pullback all the way down here, this is going to be basically a retest of this accumulation zone that we had back in August, September of 2024. And people know that WIF all the way down here would be WIF on a discount. Very nice buying opportunity. So we are not going to stay all the way down here for too long if the price action experiences a deeper pullback. For now, the most important key level of support that I have here on the chart is located at $2.88. Altcoin season has begun. Altcoins are doing great. So I really think that the price action is going to be bouncing here and then it's going to start moving up towards the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. I really don't think that we are going to see further pullback, a deeper pullback, but anything can happen in the crypto space right now, guys, because many people are expecting to see a flash crash. That's why we like to scale in slowly. In this channel, we don't like to buy all in one click. We want to have some cash on the side, and if the price action pulls back, we are going to buy this. Of course, if the price action starts breaking below these levels, then this head and shoulders pattern is going to be invalidated, and we don't want to hold downtrends. So we might want to consider exiting positions. But for now, things are looking really well. And I expect the price action to start creeping up towards the neckline very soon. I have a few targets here for you. The first target that I have here on the chart after the breakout of this neckline is located at $4.98. The second target is located at $6. And the third target is located at $7.22. The measured move from the current price levels to the first target, that's a 56% move, guys, which is really huge. And that's why we love aggressive entries, trying to break above patterns, trying to front run a breakout of different patterns, because we can make a lot more money. You see that from all the way down here, from the current price levels to the first target, that's a 56% move. While if you buy the breakout above the neckline, that's only a 15% move to the first target. From the current price levels to the second target that I have here on the chart at $6, that's a 90% move, almost 100%. And again, just to compare, if you buy the breakout, that would be only a 40% move approximately. And from the current price levels again to the last Fibonacci level at $7.22, that's a 127% move, guys. Huge move. And that's why I'm telling you guys, in this channel, we are wolves. We like to buy red. We buy fear. Just like what Warren Buffett says. be greedy when others are fearful, and be fearful when others are greedy. If we see pullbacks, especially right now that we are experiencing a bull run, I think it's a very good strategy to buy these pullbacks. So if we see a deeper pullback on WIF, you see that it's a very, very good buying opportunity because from the current price levels to the last target, that's a 127% move. If we see a pullback here on support, another bounce on support, just like we saw all the way down by here, we see that the measured move is over a 150% move. And even deeper pullback to next support level at $2.58. Look at this, 181%. That's a lot of money, guys. Huge gains. So I think that WIF is going to break above this neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. We might see a retest, continuation, move to the upside, hitting the rest of the targets. But I think that during this altcoin season, WIF is going to surpass this price level of $7.22. And my price prediction that I gave you when WIF was all the way down here is at $20. If WIF pulls a move all the way up here to the $20 price target, it's going to have a market cap of $20 billion. From the current price levels, that would be a 560% move, approximately. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your price prediction for WIF for 2025? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. Again, make sure that you join my Telegram group as soon as it's free. Don't miss this opportunity. Look at this, guys. These are just a few examples of what we've been doing in this group. I'll see you on the next one. Trade carefully.